Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. If you are looking for a place that feels like a luxury apartment but offers the services of a 5-star hotel, you've found it. Today, we're taking an inside look at Placemakr Premier SoBro, one of the trendiest stays in the Music City. Located in the heart of the SoBro district, this hotel is just steps away from the world-famous Broadway and the Country Music Hall of Fame. Whether you're here for the nightlife or the history, you are right in the center of the action. The vibe here is modern, energetic, and perfectly Nashville. Now, let's step inside. What sets this place apart is the apartment-style living. Every unit features a modern, fully equipped kitchen with a full-sized refrigerator and oven. You can whip up a meal and feel right at home. The living areas are stunning, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering breathtaking views of the Nashville skyline. Plus, every apartment comes with its own washer and dryer, a huge bonus for long stays. The highlights don't stop at the rooms. The rooftop features an incredible infinity pool, perfect for relaxing under the sun. There's also a high-end fitness center and outdoor grills for guests to enjoy. It's like having a private club right where you stay. Prices usually range from $200 to $400 per night. If you want to book your stay, check the link in the description below. Would you stay at Placemakr Premier SoBro? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury tours.